In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A13 5G by Boost Mobile. I always mention two different scenarios in terms of hard resetting. The first one, you know the password of the screen and you have access to your phone. And the second scenario is in which you forgot the password, you don't have access to your phone. The hard resetting is different in that scenario. So in this video, I'm covering both. It's a short video. Stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do the hard resetting in the first scenario in which you have access to your phone. As you have access to your phone, it's better to transfer any information, the one you feel important, from this device to another one. Otherwise you will lose it permanently. The second thing, if you have Gmail signed in the phone, you should know the password of that, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask that. If you don't remember the password of the Gmail, it's better to remove that Gmail before to go for hard resetting. Otherwise you will enter yourself into another problem. So let's do the hard resetting. In the first scenario, the phone should be turned off completely. Let's do the power off. Wait until your phone is completely off. Okay, now it's two key combination. The first, you need to press and hold the volume up key with power key until you see the recovery mode. Volume up and power key together. Press and hold. Okay, now you can release the both. So you need to look the option factory reset or wipe data and use the volume down key for navigation. Press power key one time to select that. Again, volume down. To select that, press power button one time. So it's completed already. Now your phone is asking to reboot the system. Now just press the power key one time. And now your phone will start from the initial setup, like you turn on your phone the first time. So everything from your phone will be erased. Now let's do the hard resetting in the second scenario in which you forgot the password on the screen. Now you don't have access to your phone, so you can transfer the information to another device. And if you have Gmail signed in, you should know the password of that, because after hard resetting your phone is going to ask that, and you don't have option to remove it before to go for the hard resetting. So hard resetting in this scenario is different because your phone not gonna let you turn it off if you don't know the password. So let me try. Power off. You're gonna keep asking you the password on the screen which you don't remember. To avoid this situation, you just have to plug your phone with the power. Let me connect it. Your phone should be charging. Okay, now it's two-step for hard resetting. In the first step, we have to forcefully turn off the phone. Press and hold the volume down key with the power key. Volume down and power key together. Press and hold. Press and hold. Okay, now your phone is off and you can unplug the power cable. So now the second step starts from here. in which it's the same way now that we did hard resetting in the first scenario. Press and hold the volume up with the power key, volume up with the power key. Press and hold until you see the recovery mode. Okay, now use volume down key. Look for wipe data or factory reset. Press power key to select that. Volume down, power key one time, and it's completed. Now your phone is asking to reboot. Power key one time. Now your phone will start from the initial setup. So and the password on the screen will be removed, and any information from your phone will be erased as well. The hard resetting in the second scenario is completed, in which you had to remove the password from your screen. So that's all. We covered two scenarios of hard resetting of Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. So I hope you like this video and it was informative for you. So if it is, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.